Hi everyone, my name is Nancy. I'm the founder of careerviews.com. I have been helping people elevate their careers. I am a HR consultant and a blogger. As a part of your career elevation, I teach many people how to work smarter and not harder, part of which comes to work from home jobs. There are a lot of questions that people ask me regarding work from home. We all have different reasons for not liking the corporate world. It could be a toxic work environment, it could be a bad boss, it could be the commute time. Why not to start working from home when you can make some money without stepping outside the door? So without wasting any more time, let's get to the topic. So whether you are a mom who wants to stay at home and spend more time with your family, or a person who has some health issues because of those reasons you don't want to commute, I'm going to tell you legit ways through which you could work from home and make a good sum of money. And to do so, all you need is a high-speed internet connection and a good gadget. So without any further ado, let's get started, let's get on to the topic, and let me share legit ways of making money from home. The top on my list is becoming a content provider. You can become a freelance writer. The second option is sell your photos. If you believe in visual storytelling and you live in a place where you can click great pictures, make sure you capture them in your camera and put them out for sale. A good thing about stock websites is these photos could be sold n number of times. The third on my list, create an online course. The world is going digital. A lot of people are looking for upskilling or reskilling. If you have something that you could offer to your audience, make sure you create a world-class course out of it. One can make good amount of money by making how-to videos. YouTube is a place which is most sought after for the people who are non-readers, who like to see and understand how something is done. Create how-to courses, create makeup tutorials, create cooking videos. You could create how to use YouTube, how to earn on YouTube, how to use Canva, how to find right courses for you. There are n number of how-to videos that could fetch you a good amount of money. So YouTube is something that you must check out. If you are an expert who doesn't like to step out of the home to earn money, you can start teaching online. There are a lot of students looking out for tuitions these days. Teaching online is a great scope. Even if you are a musician, you can start teaching online guitar, online piano, or imparting your knowledge on a specific subject. These things could help you having a decent monthly income. If you are a techie, set up a content development business or a content promotion. If you are a housewife sitting at home scrolling through social media all day, you might consider becoming a social media manager for somebody. Offer your services to promote someone's business. If you speak more than 2 languages, translating is something that could fetch you a very good amount of money. You can work as a translator. Tie up with organizations who are looking for translating services. The next on my list, which I also do, is creating a money-making blog. I'm a blogger. I have a blog by the name of outdoorswithnena.com, and I have another career blog on my website, which is careerviews.com. Do check them out. I place Google AdSense on both of my blogs. You can always set up a blog which generates good amount of money. Another good way of making money online is tapping into ebooks business. If you want to create your own ebook, you can do so by using Canva or any other online software that allows you to create your ebook. Otherwise, there are some published books which you want to convert into an ebook. Take a license of book conversion and you can always sell those books online. If you like to help others, consider coaching. You can become a life coach, you can become a wellness coach, you can become a Reiki healer, you can become anything that you like to do. And there is no need for you to be physically present. You can offer all these kinds of coaching online. List your property on Airbnb. If you are somebody who wants to make additional income out of your apartment or your property, you can always list them on Airbnb. I hope you found this video useful and easy to follow. Let me know in the comments what is your feedback of work from home jobs or what kind of side hustles you have been pursuing. I would be very interested to know about your side hustles. I'd be very interested to know about more successful side hustles or work from home jobs. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to Career Views and hit the bell icon so that you keep getting more and more career tips from me. Is there any specific topic that you want me to elaborate? You want to know about a particular work from home job? Let me know, I'll make a separate video on that. Until my next video, stay tuned to Career Views and wish you all the very best for any of your new adventures. Thank you for watching.